Welcome back to YesWeRentHouses.com. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this with your family and friends. Folks, I'm in a beautiful 2-bedroom apartment in Baltimore, right between Marland Avenue and North Avenue. This property comes with a nice bathroom. Let me show you the tub and the surround. All right. It also comes with a half bath as well. Some really nice light fixtures in this unit. Folks, apply today. This unit will not last long. I'm gonna take you down to the first floor. A lot of ceiling space, a lot of ceiling height. Gives you a loft feel, New York style. Half bath as soon as you walk in from a long day at work or a long day at class. Don't have to have your friends using your main bathroom. You can use the half bathroom. Dining area and kitchen area. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. Everything new, folks. Apply today at www.YesWeRentHouses.com. Take care. Peace.